Pakistan is a land of diverse landscapes. From towering mountains to vast deserts, it has it all. But hidden among these wonders are secret jewels waiting to be discovered. One such treasure is Karora Valley. This beautiful valley is nestled in the heart of Punjab. It's hard to believe that such tranquility exists so close to the bustling cities of Islamabad and Rawalpindi. Karora Valley is a breath of fresh air. It's an escape from the noise and chaos of city life. The journey itself is a treat for the senses. As you leave the city behind, the air grows cooler. The scenery transforms into a picturesque landscape of rolling hills and lush greenery. The drive is easy, making Karora Valley a perfect destination for a day trip or a weekend getaway. The moment you enter the valley, a sense of calm washes over you. The gentle sound of flowing water, the chirping of birds, and the rustling of leaves create a symphony of nature. Karora Valley welcomes you with open arms, inviting you to slow down, breathe deep, and reconnect with the natural world. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, Karora Valley has something to offer everyone, so come and discover the magic of this hidden gem tucked away in the heart of Punjab. Karora Valley is a sight to behold. Imagine a place where rolling hills, blanketed in emerald green, meet the vast expanse of the blue sky. This is Karora Valley in all its glory. The valley is a sanctuary of nature, untouched and pristine. The landscape is a painter's palette of vibrant colors. During the spring, wildflowers paint the hillsides in hues of yellow, purple, and red, creating a breathtaking tapestry. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of wild herbs and flowers. As you venture deeper into the valley, you'll find yourself surrounded by dense pine forests. These forests are home to a variety of bird species. Listen closely and you might hear the melodious calls of woodpeckers, bulbuls, and even the occasional hawk soaring high above. The scent of pine needles fills the air, invigorating the senses. Walking through these forests is a truly immersive experience. The sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. The tranquility of the surroundings is broken only by the sound of your own footsteps and the gentle breeze rustling through the leaves. It's a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Karora Valley is not just about picturesque landscapes, it's also home to some spectacular natural wonders. The most famous of these is the Neela Sand waterfall. This stunning waterfall cascades down a rocky cliff, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of water and mist. The water plunges into a crystal-clear pool below, inviting you for a refreshing dip. The sound of the waterfall crashing against the rocks is like nature's own symphony. It's a sight that will leave you breathless and wanting more. Another highlight of Karora Valley is the Simli Dam. This man-made marvel is a testament to human ingenuity. The dam has created a serene lake surrounded by lush greenery, offering stunning views and a sense of tranquility. For adventure enthusiasts, the hills surrounding Karora Valley offer excellent hiking opportunities. There are trails for all levels, from beginners to experienced hikers. Trekking through these trails, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the valley, the waterfalls, and the surrounding hills. Along the way, keep an eye out for the diverse flora and fauna that call Karora Valley home. You might spot a variety of birds, butterflies, and even small mammals like rabbits and squirrels. The valley is a haven for nature lovers, offering a glimpse into the rich biodiversity of the region. Karora Valley is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit is during the spring and autumn months. From March to May, the weather is pleasantly warm and the hillsides are adorned with colorful wildflowers. The air is fresh and the valley is at its most vibrant. Autumn, from September to November, brings its own charm to Karora Valley. The weather is mild and the leaves of the trees turn into shades of golden yellow and burnt orange. The valley transforms into a breathtaking canvas of autumnal colors, creating a truly magical atmosphere. Summers in Karora Valley can get quite hot, but the valley's proximity to the mountains offers some respite from the heat. The monsoon season from July to August brings occasional showers, transforming the valley into a lush paradise. However, it's advisable to check the weather forecast before planning your trip during this time. No matter when you choose to visit Karora Valley, you're sure to be captivated by its beauty. Each season paints a different picture, offering a unique perspective on the valley's ever-changing landscape. While the natural beauty of Karora Valley is undoubtedly its biggest draw, it's the warmth and hospitality of its people that will truly touch your heart. The locals, mostly farmers and shepherds, are known for their friendly demeanor and welcoming nature. They are always ready to share a cup of tea and stories of their life in the valley. Don't hesitate to strike up a conversation. You'll be amazed by their simple yet profound wisdom and their deep connection to the land. The local cuisine is another highlight of visiting Karori Valley. Be sure to try the traditional dishes made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The flavors are simple yet delicious, reflecting the essence of the valley itself. When you visit Karori Valley, remember that you are a guest in their home. Treat the locals, their culture, and their environment with respect. Support the local economy by purchasing handicrafts or local produce. Your small gestures can go a long way in making a positive impact on the community. Getting to Karora Valley is relatively easy. The valley is located approximately a 2-hour drive from Islamabad and Rawalpindi. The roads are well maintained, making it an enjoyable drive through scenic landscapes. If you prefer public transport, you can take a bus from Islamabad or Rawalpindi to Kotli Satyan. From there, local taxis or vans are available to take you to Karori Valley. Once you reach Karori Valley, you'll find basic accommodation facilities. There are a few guest houses and rest houses available, offering comfortable and affordable stays. However, if you're looking for luxury accommodations, you might be disappointed. Karori Valley is all about experiencing the simplicity of life, connecting with nature, and embracing the tranquility of the surroundings. For photography enthusiasts, Karori Valley is a dream destination. The valley offers endless opportunities to capture the beauty of nature in its rawest form. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or an amateur with a smartphone, you're sure to come back with stunning images. The key to capturing the essence of Karori Valley is to be patient and observant. Take your time to explore the different trails. Look for unique angles and wait for the perfect light. The early morning and late afternoon light is particularly magical, casting long shadows and creating a warm glow over the landscape. Don't be afraid to experiment with different compositions and perspectives. Capture the grandeur of the waterfalls, the tranquility of the lake, the vibrant colors of the wildflowers, and the intricate details of the local flora and fauna. Use a polarizing filter to reduce glare and enhance the colors of the sky and water. A tripod will come in handy for low-light situations and for capturing long exposures of the waterfalls. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you, so don't hesitate to capture the beauty of Karori Valley, no matter what equipment you have. Karori Valley is a hidden gem that deserves to be explored and cherished. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life, reconnect with nature, and create memories that will last a lifetime. However, as responsible travelers, it's our duty to ensure that we preserve the pristine beauty of this natural wonder for generations to come. Let's pledge to travel responsibly, leaving no trace of our presence behind. Avoid littering, stay on designated trails, and respect the local flora and fauna. Support the local community by choosing eco-friendly options and making conscious choices that minimize our impact on the environment. Let's spread the word about Karori Valley, encouraging others to experience its magic while promoting responsible tourism. Together, let's ensure that this hidden gem continues to shine bright, inspiring awe and wonder in the hearts of all who visit.